Do your eyes have all the nutrients they need to help prevent cataracts, macular degeneration, glaucoma, and other sight woes? Watch out full video to learn about some of the top foods to promote eye health, but do not count on popping a pill to reduce your risk. To get these nutrients, your best source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are from whole foods, since it may be a combination of nutrients within that provide these benefits. 1. Kale leaves. This leafy green is a source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are related to vitamin A and beta carotene and may help protect eye tissues from sunlight damage and reduce the risk of eye changes related to aging. Your body needs fat to absorb lutein and zeaxanthin. So be sure to heat them with a bit of unsaturated fat such as a drizzle of olive oil or few slices of avocado. And kale also contain vitamin C and beta carotene and other high friendly nutrients. 2. Sweet potatoes. Beta carotene gives these tubers their orange color. Your body converts beta carotene to vitamin A nutrient that helps prevent dry eyes and night blindness. And similar to lutein and zeaxanthin, beta carotene and vitamin A are absorbed best when eaten with a little healthy fat such as olive oil. 3. Strawberries. Fresh, juicy strawberries are good thing for your eyes and contains plenty of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that may help lower your risk of cataracts. Strawberries are also rich in folate, fiber, and an array of phytochemicals. Phytochemicals may help prevent or delay the progression of eye diseases such as cataracts. 4. Salmon and fatty fish. Besides helping with the absorption of certain nutrients, some healthy fats also contain omega 3 fatty acids. Salmon is an excellent source of omega 3 fatty acids which may be beneficial for eye health. Include salmon or other types of fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week. 5. Nuts and legumes. Nuts are also rich in omega 3 fatty acids. Nuts also contain a high level of vitamin E, which can protect the eye from age related damage. Kidney beans, black beans, and lentils are good source of bioflavonoids and zinc. These two can help protect the retina and lower the risk of developing macular degeneration and cataracts. Zinc also helps to protect the eyes from damage from lights. 6. Seeds. Chia seeds promote healthy tear production, which is great for dry eyes. The omega 3 fatty acids assists in the prevention of macular degeneration. Chia seeds are good for ocular, macular, and retinal health. The beauty of chia seed is you can put them in water and have them as a drink too. What makes flaxseed oil good for our eyes is that it contains high level of alpha linolenic acid, an important omega 3 fatty acids. The digestion process converts it into two omega 3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, that promote strong cell membranes throughout the body, including in the eyes. 7. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C just like vitamin E. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that is recommended by the AOA to fight age-related eye damage. 8. Carrots. Carrots are rich in both vitamin A and beta carotene. Beta carotene gives carrots their orange color. Vitamin A plays an essential role in vision. It is a component of protein called rhodopsin, which helps the retina to absorb light. Research on beta carotene's role in vision is mixed through the body needs these nutrients to make vitamin A. 9. Beef. It may come as no surprise that fluid essential to life is also vital to high health. Zinc can help delay age-related sight loss and macular degeneration. The eye itself contains high level of zinc, particularly in the retina and the vascular tissue surrounding the retina. 10. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which can reduce the risk of age-related sight loss. Eggs are also good source of vitamin C and E and zinc. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, share the video and kindly subscribe the channel.